everyone. So as you see, I would like to add some more addition to the graph that we obtained yesterday. So you can see the two dash lines in addition added onto this dashboard is the upper bound and also the lower bound. So you can see basically these three dash lines constitute a band. So now after these two additional dash lines added to the graph, so you see our signals becomes whenever the green line moves lower than the lower bound, then it's an indication of a buying point, potentially. If whenever it moves beyond the upper bound, then it indicates a potential selling point. And our criteria to evaluate this green line is still we would like it to correlate with the actual price. So this purple line. So we will if the green line correlates better with the purple actual price, then the better quality it is for the signal. So as we talked about in our last video, so we tinker with the moving average range. So we landed on the moving average of 10. So you see that, so we came to a conclusion that because this green line moves above the band, right, the upper bound, then it actually became an indication of a selling point. So here we marked it as September 11th, right? So this 10 days of moving average, you can see that it actually catches shorter swing trades. So it can catch these smaller volatility, smaller waves. But when you see if we actually move it to 30 days moving average, then you see this September 11th green signal actually is still within the band, right? So it did not move above the upper bound. So which means that for 30 days moving average, it's trying to catch the bigger waves of swing trade, right? The longer, bigger waves. So therefore, it's like saying, okay, maybe September 11th, when, yeah, it moved up a lot, but maybe you can still hold on to it a little bit more to wait for the bigger waves growth, right? Just to endure the short-term volatility a little bit, be a little bit more patient than that 10 days moving average. Give it a little bit more run, right? Um, so yeah, so tomorrow 9:30 we will see if this is a good lesson. So see you tomorrow in the daytime.